Make a great choice today with the 2020 GX. The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.